7 reasons why you should sleep on the left side. Our sleep position matters to our health. It influences everything from the mind to the gut. Are you sleeping 7 to 8 hours but still don't feel fresh? Then you must watch this video till end. We realize that the length of sleep is essential for mental and physical wellness. However, sleep position might be another significant factor for better health. Here are the 7 reasons why you should sleep on the left side. 1. Helps with digestion. Sleeping on the left side is desirable because of the straightforward reason of gravity. This is because the stomach holds on the left side. If we lie on the left side, the stomach and gastric juices remain lower than the throat, while we sleep. Lying on the left side can also help lessen indigestion problems. 2. Supports the lymphatic system. Sleeping on the left side allows our body to filter lymph fluid and waste, as dominant lymphatic system of our body is on the left side. It will also help to process waste materials from the brain. Spleen also lies on the left side as it helps to detoxify the body. 3. Lifts cerebrum health. Sleeping to your left side enables your body to clear what is called interstitial waste from the cerebrum. This may help lessen your danger of creating Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurological disorders. 4. Useful for your heart. Sleeping on the left side may help ease the heart's heat, as gravity can encourage both the lymph and aortic course away from the heart. Specialists have since quite a while ago suggested that pregnant ladies sleep on their left side to improve dissemination to the heart. 5. Decreases wheezing. Sleeping on your side shields your tongue from falling into your throat, and somewhat obstructing your breathing route. If side sleeping does not lighten your wheezing, or you speculate you have untreated sleep apnea, please consult your doctor. 6. Optimal for pregnant ladies. Sleeping on the left helps to mitigate pressure on the back, shield the uterus from crushing the liver, and increment bloodstream to the uterus, kidneys, and embryo. So, it is optimal for pregnant ladies to sleep on the left side. 7. Help in reducing back pain. Individuals who experience back pain may benefit by changing to left side sleeping. That is because sleeping on your left side can ease pressure on the spine. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every day.